Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Our today's lecture is from chapter 2, Working on Word, and the topic is using tables. What is a table? A table consists of cells arranged in rows and columns. It is a very useful tool for organizing data and information. Data arranged in tables is easy to read and understand. Here are some uses of tables. We can use tables to organize different types of information. We can use tables to sort or classify data according to given criteria. We can use a table to group together the students who scored marks within a certain range, such as 60 to 69%, 70 to 79%, 80 to 89%, and so on. We can use tables to collect a large amount of data and summarize it in one place. A marks sheet summarizes data, marks scored from all your answer scripts on just one page. We can use tables to compare data. A marks sheet displays the marks of all your subjects in one table. You can use this to compare the subjects you scored the most and the least marks in. Then you can decide which subjects to work harder on. This would be difficult if you had to read through all your examination answers scripts. Similarly, we can list the advantages of something, such as the internet, in one column and the disadvantages in another. Comparing the two columns help us to form an opinion about the internet. How we can insert a table in a document. In Microsoft Word document, choose the option Insert, then Table. Then select the Insert Table option. You will see the dialog box. Here you can adjust the number of columns and rows according to your requirement. For example, we have fixed the number of columns 3, number of rows 6. You can also change the width of the column according to your requirement or keep it auto. Click on the option OK, and the table is inserted in the document. 3 columns, 6 rows. You can adjust the table by dragging it. How you can format a table in different ways. If you want to insert a row or delete a row, how can you do it? For example, here you can see the table which has 3 columns and 6 rows. We have given the names to the column 1, column 2, column 3. If you want to insert a row below or above the selected column, how can you do it? Select the row, right click, choose the option Insert, insert row above. The row is inserted. Again select the row, right click, click on Insert, then insert row below. Now a row is inserted below. If you want to insert a column, same procedure will be followed. You have to choose whether you have to insert the column right or left on the left side. If you want to delete a column, select the column, right click, choose the option Delete Column, and the column will be deleted. And if you want to merge two cells into one cell, then select the cells which you want to merge, then right click and choose the option Merge Cell. Now you can see your two cell has been merged into one cell. So these are some ways in which we can format a table. Thank you.